Hi friend. Okay, as I promised, I have just come back for discussing your some of the series in the you can say the simplification understanding में जो भी आपको help करेगा, so I am going to discuss those things. Okay, so here I am come with the one concept that how we can find out the cube of any number. What does mean that? It means that you can easily find the cube of any number, whether whatever it is. But here the today's agenda is the find out the cube of the number that is a near 101. Why? Because these numbers having the application while in a simplification as well as a in a CIF, that is called as a compound interest part. Okay, so have a look please. Now cube of any number. Now please understood here, most of the time I am getting question from the student that sir easily we can find out the square, but what can we do with the cubes? So this is the one series that I have come up, that how we can find out the cube of any number within a 1-2 seconds. That depends on your performance, that whether you will remember the cube or not. Now suppose somebody has asked you what is the 109 cube, then what you will do? Yeah, I can, this is one way getting what my 81. If I remember the short trick for the square wala, मुझे multiply easily कर लूँगा, but again I have to multiply. Yeah, this is the thing that regretting every time in the examination hall. If you are sitting in examination, I don't think this is going to be work. Okay, so let's see the concept that how we can solve the question if we are getting the cube, or how we can find out the cube of any number that is more than 101. Okay, 102. So 102 is not a smaller number. Now please, what is the concept here? The concept is we have to see base plus x का अगर क्यूब हमसे पूछा जाता है, then what we will make the idea that x cube 3 of x square and base plus 3x. This is, you can call as a formula, call it concept, call it please, but remember this one until and how. If you are not remembering this, you cannot get the answer. Okay, now one step only required and done. So what is this? This is how much? Plus 2. But remember here there is a 100 base, यहाँ पर 100 base है, so you have to remember that if it is a 100 base, so I have to write 2-digit number every time from the right hand side to left. ठीक है? Now so 2 cube, that is 8, but I told you in a square as well, if the base is 100, I have to write a 2-digit number. Suppose I am getting 2-digit, not a 2-digit number, I am getting only 8. But please I have to write a 08. Okay, now 3x square, x square will be what? My 4, the 3x that will be 12, no problem. 2 into 3 that is 6, and base is 100, that is 106. So this is 106 12 08 is my cube. 106 12, see this is 1 only, okay, or I can call as a 106 12 08 is my आंसर. You can check in the calculator, मोबाइल के कैलकुलेटर से आप चेक करो, then you will get the same number. Let's try one more. Suppose you get a call as a 101 cube, x cube that is 1, so this will be 01. 3x square, so again this is 3x square that is 3, so this will be a 03, and this will be a 100 plus 3 into 1, that is a 103. So this is what my 103 03 01. This is a 101 cube. Okay, now next is what? 104 cube. 104 cube. Now what is the here is plus 4. What is the formula that I told you? X cube 3x square and this base plus 3x. So what is 4 cube? That is 64. Yeah, I get a 2-digit number, so we do not need to do anything here. So x square that is 16, 16 into 3 that is 84. Now 12 plus 100, because what 4 into 3 12, 12 plus 100 that is 112. So the cube is 1124864. This is the cube of 104. So till now I think everything is okay. Now you can do with the 103 cube. This is how much more? Plus 3. So this is plus 3 more. So this is x cube 3x square and base plus 3x. See why I am writing again and again, because to make you more understand while solving this question. So this is 27. Again it is 27 and 100 plus 3x, that will be a 109. So answer would be 1092727. This is a cube of 103. So I think you have got the idea that how I am solving the cube of 103 and 104. Similarly, you can get the idea for the other things as well. Okay. Now, let's have a look 109. Oh my God, this is little bigger number, that is 9. This is how much more? 9 more. So please apply that x cube 3x square and base plus 3x. So what is x cube? That's 729. What is 3x square? So this 9 into 9, that x square 81. 81 into 3, that 243. And this is 27 and this is 127. Now as I told you, if I get a 3-digit number, what I need to took? I have to take a 2-digit number and the number should be, the next number would be carry forward. So what I will do? 29, 7 will be here, that will become 250. So there will be a 50 here, the 2 comes here, that will be a 129. So the answer will be 129, 59, 50 and 29. This is the cube of 109. So this is the way to find out the cube of any number that is more than of 100. And this is really helpful while solving the question of CI and the simplification of the part when I will discuss. Okay. Now have a look, if the number is less than of 100. Then what you will do? Now please, this is little tricky part, so I will suggest that please understand very carefully. This is how much less? Minus 2. So the same format, that x cube 3 of x square and base plus 3x. The formula will be same. That x cube, that is minus of 8, 3x square, so this would be a 12. And this 100 minus 3x, so that should be a 100 minus 6, that would be a 94. But what we will do this 8, तो 8 का हम क्या करेंगे? We will take a carry, यहाँ से हम करेंगे तो that can come as 100. तो 100 minus 8, that will be a 92. This will reduce by 1 and this will be remains a 94. What is the cube of 94? 1192. So the 941192 is a cube of 98. Have you got this? This is 8. That's why I took a carry 1. मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ पर मैंने क्या करा? 100 लिया. Suppose if I sometimes I will get a 108. Suppose मुझे यहाँ पे 108 मिल जाता. What I will do? यहाँ से मैं 200 ले लेता. मतलब यहाँ ये this number is reduced by 2. Now have a look this number 94. This is something that is more interesting. Okay, so you will get a all doubts clarification here. This is minus 6. So same, that x cube 3x square and it would be a base plus 3x. Now x cube, that will be a minus of 216. Minus of 216 na x cube. So this is 6 cube is the 216. That this is minus, so this minus 216. And this number 3x square, that will be a 36 into 3. The 36 into 3, that is 108. I think so. See, 36 into 3, 18 carry 1, this is 108. And this will be a 18 minus 100. If the 100 minus 18, so what we will do? 100 minus 18, that will be a 82. Now I have to take a carry. How much? Because this is 216, so I have to take a 3, means 300. So this 300 में से अगर minus करेंगे, it will remains as a 84. This will remains as a 05 and means 105. So 1 will be here. So that will be a 83. So the answer will be 830584 will be the cube of what? 94. Okay. So I think you have got this idea, and this video and this lecture will be beneficial for you. So I hope, and please, if you know this concept, it's easy for you to understand, but if you do not know, please make the notes and do the practice and solve, try to 10 to 12 questions, so you will be comfortable by understanding each and every idea. Okay, so now the thank you very much while attending this session, and I will recommend each and everyone, please connect with us, so whenever we are making this kind of understanding and these ideas we are willing to spread with you, so it might beneficial for your preparation as well. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you.